Imagine you throw a ball at a solid wall, only for it to pop out on the other side. It's an impossible trick, except that it isn't. This is quantum tunneling, a phenomenon so strange it helps power the sun and store the photos on your phone. Without it, the universe and life itself would look very different. So how can something that seems impossible actually happen? In our everyday world, things make sense. If you want to roll a ball over a hill, you've got to give it enough of a push, that is, enough energy to get it to the top. If you don't, it rolls right back down, every single time. That's classical physics, the rule book for everything big enough for us to see and touch. A wall is a wall, you can't just walk through it. A particle without enough energy to clear a hurdle should be stopped, plain and simple. But down in the microscopic quantum world, the story doesn't end there. The familiar rules of physics no longer tell the whole story. Somehow, particles occasionally appear on the opposite side of barriers they simply shouldn't be able to cross. They don't smash through, and they don't go around, yet somehow they get through. Physicists call this quantum tunneling. It's one of the strangest phenomena ever discovered, and although we can measure it with incredible precision, the reason it happens is far more surprising than most people imagine. Today, we're not going to reveal that mystery. Instead, let's look at why this impossible phenomenon is so important. Okay, a neat trick, but what does it actually do? Well, for starters, it enables our sun to shine. Deep inside the sun, positively charged protons should repel one another. Even at millions of degrees, they shouldn't get close enough to fuse. But quantum tunneling gives a tiny fraction of them a way through an otherwise impossible barrier. That tiny probability, repeated countless trillions of times every second, powers the sun itself. This cosmic cheat code isn't just happening in distant stars, it's happening right now in the palm of your hand. If you find it fascinating how these hidden rules shape everything, think about subscribing for more journeys into the quantum world. Your phone stores information by trapping tiny electrons inside microscopic structures. Normally, those electrons shouldn't be able to get in or out. But thanks to quantum tunneling, engineers can move them exactly when they want to. Without this bizarre quantum effect, modern flash memory simply wouldn't exist. So, from an impossible ball-through-the-wall problem, we see a hidden reality at work. This one bizarre, rule-bending phenomenon is what enables fusion in our sun and stores photo memories on our phones. It's a constant reminder that the universe runs on a kind of quantum cheat code, and that reality is far stranger and more wonderfully connected than it ever appears on the surface. But here's the part we've deliberately avoided. We've seen what quantum tunneling does, but we still haven't answered the biggest question. How can a particle cross a barrier without ever having enough energy to get over it? The answer isn't just strange, it completely changes the way physicists think about reality. That's the mystery we'll uncover in the next episode of Quantum Physics Concepts. I'll leave a link to the video in the description below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks so much for watching.